I replaced the regulator hose. The hose goes right here, and it's a brand new hose. It goes right onto the bottle, and it goes into this. There's like a manifold right here. So this manifold goes across, and it feeds each of the gas feeds for the grill. So this last one is the last burner. This one I believe is the side burner. This is the middle burner. And I think this one goes to the rotisserie burner, and then this one's the left or the right burner from above. But there was just a grease fire right on this last burner here. I think I need to clean the grease, so I gotta take off this, which has the handles on it. Probably pull it off and then see what was burning right here was burning. You can see the ash, and then this is hot. So something right here on this burner caught fire. Ow, ow. Take a look at this. I don't think it's anything like a leak or anything, but yeah, I need to check that out.